Hello guys. Welcome to Canada Hotel Explorer. Today I am reviewing Auberge-de-Loup Point. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This hotel overlooks the St. Lawrence River and is 10 minutes drive from downtown Rivière-du-Loup. It offers an elegant on-site restaurant, spa treatments, and classic rooms with free Wi-Fi. Each guest room at Auberge-de-Loup Point includes a coffee maker and refrigerator. Guests can watch cable TV or enjoy the view of either the river or the city. The hotel offers an indoor pool, hot tub and gym, in addition to concierge services and free bicycle rentals. The Lispaden dining room specializes in seafood and features a large fireplace and views of the river. Pointe-de-Rivière and the ferry to Saint-Siméon are 1.4 miles from Auberge-de-Loup Point. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.